What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys read by today's title of the video, I am going to be pretty much showing you guys what it's like to daily drive a tuned Infiniti Q50. Reason being is because I do get this question asked a lot, if I recommend this car as a daily driver, if it's a good car, etc. So I thought, why not just bring you guys along with me today and pretty much show you guys how it is to daily drive a car. I am using the GoPro today, just so it could be more of a POV drive and for you guys to kind of feel like you're driving the car in a way. For those of you guys that might be new to the channel, my name is Jay. I drive this tuned Q50 and also a built motor and boosted 350Z. That's why I need this car, because of that other car. I don't daily drive that car anymore. Not because I can, but because I choose not to. Once again, if you guys are new to the channel, I do live in Cali. And for those of you guys that don't know, Cali cops do not play when it comes to modified cars, so I try to minimize the driving in that car when I can, but at the same time I don't let that stop me from enjoying my car either. So this car is pretty simple. All it has is test pipes, a muffler delete, and a 91 tune. My boys over at E-Class tune, so it's nothing special, nothing crazy. I do have the stars in the roof now if you guys missed last video. So we're in a Rolls Royce right now. I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around of the car. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am missing carbon side skirts and a carbon rear diffuser. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how the car looks right now. For a daily, I'm very happy with the car. And since this video is pretty much showing you guys what it's like to daily drive a Q50, I put $35 worth of gas and it got me half a tank, and I was completely empty. And gas is $5.20 right now. Well, $5.19. So 35 bucks to get half a tank. So to fill it up, probably like 75-ish, 80 bucks. So it's not too bad. I know it'll last you. Like this thing will last me probably like, actually probably the way I drive, probably like 3 days. Alright, red line right there. I don't know if you guys saw that. Another thing, this car moves for what it is, to be honest. It's just like I said, one bolt-on 91 tune. And there'll be a few cars on there on the road. There'll probably be a few HRs, maybe some 370s. I'm pretty sure I could be right there with like scat packs and stuff like that. Oh, F was arguing. Dang. Anyways, so this is a 3.7, not 3.0 turbo. So with still bolt-on 91, you're probably making like just over 300. So this car is street tuned, so I don't know exactly how much it's making, but like I said, if I had to guess, I would have to say probably like 305 wheel horsepower, which isn't horrible, I guess. But honestly, for the money, so this car, let's say like if you get this car for like, let's say like 20,000, 25,000, I'm pretty sure, I don't think you could really beat it. The only cars that I would sell this car for, like that's in the same kind of category in a way, like another 4-door, would probably be like an M340. Or a 340i. Even the regular 340i's are more expensive than these. So like I said, I think it's a pretty good bang for your buck. And right now that I'm just cruising on the freeway, it feels very comfortable. And honestly, it looks pretty new. Like, so this car has had like the same look since like 2014. So to like a non-car, I mean, obviously like little things have changed since then. Like I think the taillights, the bumpers. But to like a non-car person, you could probably lie to them and say this is a 2023. And they'll probably believe you. So that's one of my favorite things about this car, actually. That it looks brand new. It doesn't look old at all. Look at that sky, bro. What the hell? Bro, the camera does not do this justice. It looks sick. Should we slide it a little bit? And you see, that's part of daily driving a Q50. You could easily get a little sideways and the car loves it. Super easy. Damn, I think I got my adrenaline pumping low-key. Nothing like a couple donuts for a pre-workout. Ooh, it's cold too. Alright guys, and part of my daily routine is coming to the gym, so we're here. Let's go in and get this workout, and I'll catch you guys when I'm out. I think this Camaro wants to smoke, guys. Let's see how bad we get gapped. Bro, I am so butthurt, legit. The camera really stopped recording, bro. I don't know if I pressed the button on accident or what the hell, but it turned off. I'm on my iPhone now, just so you guys don't think I'm lying. I'll press play. That's a record or whatever. Watch, it'll probably record for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Bro, if it doesn't do it right now, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, there you go, you see? It says batteries something powering on. But it has like 15%. But anyways, I got him off the hit, and he came around pretty hard. That's funny though, because before I got this car, that's the car I wanted to get. Damn. If this car was on 85 for sure, I probably would have beat him. All right, guys, I'm back on my regular camera, and it's crazy because I literally wanted to race something today because of this video, so you guys could see, like I said, like what it is today. You drive one of these. I be catching races sometimes, and this was one of the times, and this happened. But yeah, we're out here like in LA somewhere. We came over here last minute, so just know, I mean, I don't race daily in this car, but I do be catching some runs here and there, and this thing low-key be holding its own sometimes. But like I said, that Camaro did come around pretty hard top end, but it's not too bad for what it is, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully later when we go home we catch another run with something else. All right guys, we are now on the way home. Like I said, I came out here to LA, got about an hour drive home, so I'm just driving right now, and I thought this is the perfect opportunity to show you guys how smooth this car rides, how quiet it is, how comfortable it is. Like, I'm just chilling, bro. It feels like a big boat. Literally the perfect daily driver. Then with the stars on the roof, it's just a vibe right here. All this car it doesn't really need it, but they could use a little bit more power, a few more bolts-ons to 85, and I feel like that would be perfect. Or even supercharge it. I feel like if I were to boost this thing, for some reason I would like to supercharge this one, just to try something new. And I've seen a couple of supercharged Qs on social media, and they sound pretty sick, so I feel like I would like to do that. This car with a supercharger making like 500-600 wheel would be perfect. Perfect. Comfortable, fast, cool noises, that's all I could ask for. Honestly, a couple months ago I really wanted to sell this car, and now I don't mind keeping it for like a while longer. Like now I'm actually motivated to boost it, and just do a lot of other things to it. Yeah, of course, Cali. 2:42 in the morning and there's traffic. So I just noticed that I still haven't showed you guys one huge part of daily driving a tuned Q50, specifically this one. I just turned it on, so once this traffic clears up, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I can actually probably show you guys right here. So this car does have a popcorn tune. Some people don't like it. I personally do. I just feel like there is people that overuse it, but I feel like it sounds sick. It's cool to shoot flames. It can be annoying. Do right here, but there's actually workers on this bridge. I don't want to scare them. 19-year-old me definitely would have done it though. Bro, that shit sounds like a bomb when it's in the tunnel. stopping for some canes. Your boy's hungry. All right, guys, just made it home. Literally, barely made it home too with the gas. I was gonna stop, but I didn't really want to stop. So. Alright guys, with that being said, I am gonna go inside and edit this video really quick for you guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope that this video was helpful for some of you guys, because like I said, I do get this question quite often, if this is a good daily driver. So I try my best to pretty much bring this video to you guys, to show you guys how exactly this car is as a daily driver. That being said, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.